SABIC is one of the largest chemical manufacturers in the world. They are, I think, 60% owned by Aramco, right? And we started working with them back in 2021, precisely for the traceability of their circular polymers. You're using here different waste streams, right? It's not just focused on using plastic waste. That's a big part of the picture, of course, but you've got plastic waste, you've got used cooking oils, you've got vegetable oils, all of that. You've got waste materials from the toll industry as well. All of that comes in to replace fossil fuels in the production of plastics, right? And this is as well through kind of fairly recent technology, at scale at least, which is chemical recycling, which is what allows us to bring those raw materials into the same industrial complexes that we already have. Because again, you need to gather that information, right? So you need to map that out. So you need some sort of digital record for it, right? In our case, we leverage blockchain technology for that because of the kind of trust, transparency, auditability, and immutability values that it brings.